I've been struggling to shake what I heard. It's been harder than I expected. That sound keeps echoing in my mind every time I try to focus on the game. Part of me wanted to go down there and see what it was, but then a darker thought crept in. What if I'm next? I forced myself to stop thinking like that and grabbed my phone, texting my parents to tell them what was happening. Just as I hit send, Kevin's parents emerged from the basement. Their faces were twisted into something I can only describe as a crazed, unsettling look. My stomach dropped. Something wasn't right. For the brave souls who dare to tread deeper into the shadows, follow Terran Conrad for the rest of this chilling tale. Share it with your friends if you're willing to drag them into the darkness alongside you. Thank you for reading with us, and welcome to Phobia Publishing, where fear isn't just a feeling, it's a way of life.